Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Apple ID lock for security reasons. Quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, make sure your iPhone or iPad is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Open the Settings app from your home screen. Tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. If you see a message saying your Apple ID is locked, tap Continue or Unlock Account. If you do not see that message, open Safari and go to I Forgot Apple.com. On the Apple ID website, type your Apple ID email address. Enter the characters you see on the screen and tap Continue. Choose the option to reset your password. Select Get an email if you can access your Apple ID email inbox. Open the email from Apple and tap the reset link. Create a new strong password that you have not used before. Return to Settings and sign in again with the new password. If you cannot access your email, choose Answer Security Questions if available. Answer the questions exactly as you set them and proceed to reset the password. If security questions are not available, choose Use Phone Number for account recovery. Select the trusted phone number shown and tap Continue. Wait for the verification code to arrive on your trusted device or via SMS. Enter the code on the screen and continue. Set a new password and confirm it carefully. Now go back to Settings and sign in to your Apple ID with the updated password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, approve the sign-in on your trusted device. Type the 6-digit verification code when prompted. If you are still locked, check the date and time by going to Settings, General, Date and Time. Turn on Set Automatically to prevent verification errors. Go to Settings, your name, password, and security, and review your trusted phone numbers and devices. Remove any devices you do not recognize and update your trusted number if needed. If the lock continues, open Apple Support app or visit support.apple.com and start an Apple ID account help request. Be ready to confirm identity details and follow the support steps to unlock the account securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.